Hey there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can record and create bills in Zoho Books. This is useful for tracking expenses and managing vendor payments efficiently. Make sure that you have the full version so you can access all of the features. So once you're on your Zoho Books dashboard, you will just have to look for the purchases section, which is right here, and then you will look for bills, and then you will just have to click the plus button right here. And once you're here, what you will have to do is choose the vendor that you want to record a bill for. For example, this vendor right here. So what you will have to do is just enter the bill details. So input the bill number, the date, the bill date, the due date, and then the order number, and then if it's available for you, then the quality, the rate, and tax as well. So yeah, you could also add or attach PDFs or invoices for record keeping. So it should be right here. So yeah, you're really free to attach file if you want. And yeah, if you're satisfied with everything, if you filled out everything, you will just have to click this button right here, which is either save as open or save as draft if you want to review it more. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.